Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door sedan has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 7-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a great value with less than 46,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.